James, we're a few weeks away from MACH 2018, very exciting for the industry. Now, we've caught you at Hella Machine Tools in Redditch. Now, there's not many facilities left in the UK that manufactures and puts together machines like Hella do, but tell us a little bit more about the process at MACH and certainly the visitor side at the moment.
So I suppose for us, we're really excited. We're a couple of weeks away now. We're starting to get everyone's plans in on what they're bringing. And I think this year we are about 20% up in terms of live working equipment. So it really is the place to see a lot of live technology. We're really excited to see just how much is going to be coming through the doors. So yeah, we've just got to get it in and built and up and running now.
So with the experience to the visitors, obviously new halls at the NEC, what other things should be drawing engineers into the show?
I think for us it's really about these new halls and the new experience is about changing everything. So the fact that the second people step out their car, they can walk straight into the halls. The fact that it's all under one roof on one level. I know we keep talking about it, but this is the chance for people to come and see it. And I think the other thing that's quite exciting is our seminar program, which is now sort of nearly there.
Part of the experience for the visitors is the seminar programs. How important are they and how popular are they at MACH?
So our seminar program you can actually book online before you attend the event. So at last MACH, for example, there was a couple of sessions that were oversubscribed. We managed to accommodate those people, but it does mean that those that are turning up on the day might not get in. We'll always obviously do our best to accommodate them. But this year we've gone for a morning on additive manufacturing, a second morning which is i4 focused, where we've got Jürgen Meyer speaking as part of the Made Smarter launch. But we've also got other themes that recur throughout the week, so if you're not there for those specific days, you can actually attend other seminars. But my advice to people, although they are shorter sessions this year, they're 20-minute sessions, and there's a lot more in a day, you might need to think about coming back for a second day because there's so much to see.
Talking about openings, who's opening this year? Any other famous people from previous years? Who's it this year?
So on the Monday morning, we've got Sir Ben Ainslie, opening it. So that'll be on the main concourse at about 10:30. He's officially opening the exhibition and he will be doing a tour of the halls and a slot in our seminar theatre. And if you visit the Education Development Zone, we've also got Andy Green there on the first day, who is the pilot of Bloodhound.
And when you look at the industry itself, I know you've opened some more space up in reference to potential exhibitors. Is there any more space for those stragglers who might want to exhibit?
There is. We will always try and accommodate people as long as it's not too near to the show. And I think Tom mentioned in the last update that we'd opened some more space in Hall 7. That's now fully sold out. We have got one or two remaining stands, so if people do want them, get in touch.
My last question to you on these months of interviewing you, James. When you look at visitors, what are the benefits and why should they make sure that they register before the show? What are the real benefits to them as a visitor?
I think the important thing about pre-registering for the show is to make sure, if you do it at least 2 weeks before, you'll be sent your badge, you'll be sent a floor plan of the halls and an A to Z of all the exhibitors. So you'll be able to plan your visit ahead of time. And when you walk there, you walk straight into the halls and you're often starting your day. You don't have to worry about registering on site.
Well, I know at MTDCNC we're very much looking forward to MACH 2018. We look forward to seeing you there. Thanks very much, James.
Thanks very much. See you in April.